Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the Develop menu because that unlocks the inspector. Open Safari, choose Preferences, then Advanced, check Show Develop menu in Menu bar. Once done, close Preferences and look at the top menu bar for Develop. If you don't see it, quit and relaunch Safari. Sometimes a restart registers the change. This step is quick, but necessary. Without the Develop menu, you can't open the Web Inspector or access developer features like the console and network tools. Once the Develop menu is available, open the Web Inspector with Develop Show Web Inspector or press Option Command I. You'll see Elements, Console, Network, and Sources panels. Use Elements to edit HTML and styles live, and Console to run JavaScript snippets. Make sure to right-click any page element and choose Inspect Element when you want a targeted selection. If you need to debug network requests, switch to the Network tab and reload the page to capture activity. These panels work together for fast diagnosis. Finish by running the tests you need. Enable Responsive Design Mode from the Develop menu to emulate devices and orientations, and use network throttling and disable caches while testing load behavior. Once done, apply any fixes directly in Elements or your source files and refresh to verify. If the inspector behaves oddly, clear caches, disable extensions, and restart Safari. That fixes most glitches. If a specific panel is unresponsive, toggle the Develop menu off and on again, then reopen the Web Inspector to reset state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.